faced any tricky moments during bad weather? Maybe the windshield fogs up and you can't see. Being frustrated not knowing what settings to use? How do you stay dry while getting into the car that's in a tricky spot? You might even have the constant rain and humidity leading to mold. Rain and fog can reduce visibility. Wet and slippery surfaces increase risk while driving and can easily cause more accidents. Well, how can you get better visibility in the rain to ensure you can drive safely? Well, you might want to use the demister. Having the right air conditioning settings can sort this out efficiently. Hit the auto aircon button in your settings, or use the windshield demist button. If your side view mirrors are also fogged up, then no worries. In your settings, there is an option to defrost them too. For voice command, say, "Hi BYD, turn on the defroster on the rear windshield and side mirrors." This will clear up your side view mirrors, giving you better visibility of any cars nearby. Another step you can take would be to switch between internal and external circulation. Bad weather can cause big temperature differences inside the car, and with the added moisture and heat from your breath, the cold glass can fog up easily. To combat this, you can open external circulation in the aircon settings, or say, "Hi BYD, open external circulation." This will let fresh air into the car to prevent fogging and avoid poor vision due to these temperature differences. A third step you can take to stay safe on the road with your BYD is to turn on blind spot detection. This feature is especially useful in poor visibility situations. When cars or bikes or any types of vehicles sneak into your blind spot, the dashboard and external rearview mirrors will alert you, which greatly help reduce the risk of a collision. Blind spot detection is on by default, but for whatever reason, if you want to turn it off, you can do so in the settings. It's also important to ensure your lights, wipers, and tire pressure are up to scratch to make driving in poor weather conditions safer. Firstly, ensure you've got the correct settings for all your lights. Turning your hazard lights on during bad conditions can confuse drivers behind you and can cause even more accidents. Instead of using your hazards, turn on your fog lights and low beams. This is more effective as your fog lights have better penetration, allowing the cars behind you to see you more clearly. You should also ensure your wipers are clean and working properly. If your wipers are dirty or making strange noises, they can affect your visibility and your concentration. Nothing worse than a squeaky wiper. Your BYD has a setting to help you clean your wipers. While stopped, go to Vehicle Settings and Vehicle Health. Select Service, Open Wiper Service, and your wipers will automatically lift. Check the wiper blades for wear and tear. Your tire pressure is also an important factor to consider in wet weather conditions. On wet and slippery roads, it takes you longer to brake. Because of this, it's even more important to make sure your tire pressure is within the normal range. You can check the status of your tire pressure through the BYD app, and also on the dash, depending on the skin you've chosen. If you've left your car and you're unsure whether the windows are closed or not, you can check the vehicle status on the BYD app and even close them remotely. Do you have any other tips for the rainy season? Share them in the comments.